about one of our 4 featured themes for 2022, Cozy Cottage. Think of that fast-paced lifestyle that most of us live. How do we bring some calm factor back into our surroundings? Let's show you some ideas, shall we? Our willow bowl, featured in aged terracotta, will soothe your soul with its spiraled lines all potted up with herbs or succulents. It's romantic and sweet. Our Brooklyn planter, featured in faux clay from our premium color family, will delight you with beautiful deep grooves and lines throughout. Our wicker planter is sure to please you with its traditional woven pattern, featured here in Santa Fe. Reset, recharge, rebalance. For more information about our Cozy Cottage theme, please visit us at the link below or visit us at ctiliving.com. And don't forget to give us a green thumbs up. See you all soon.